Hello friends! Today, we are going to see how to download SketchUp plugins from Sketchucation. So here we go. First, go to web browser and search for Sketchucation. From the results, you will see the SketchUp plugin page. Click on it, and it will take you to the Sketchucation website. To download plugins, you need to log in. If you are already a user, you can log in from the top right corner. If you are a new user, you need to register for free. After logging in or registering, go to the search bar and type the name of the plugin you need. For example, I am searching for the Shape Bender plugin. Once it appears, click the download button. The file will then be downloaded. Next, open the SketchUp application. Go to the Extension Manager and click Install Extension. Then select the file you just downloaded. The extension will start installing. After installation, check whether the extension is enabled. Here, we can see that Shape Bender is enabled. Close the Extension Manager. Now, the Shape Bender toolbar should appear. If you cannot see it, it might be turned off. Go to the View menu, then Toolbars. From there, you can turn the Shape Bender on. It is currently off, so turn it on. Now, you can see the Shape Bender plugin. That's it. This is how you download and install a SketchUp plugin from Sketchucation.